Hi, everyone, and welcome back to JSA TV, where we are coming to you today live from the floor of Data Cloud 2026. I'm pleased to be joined by so many great leaders across our industry today, and of course, my current guest is no exception to that. I have with me Elena Winters, who is the VP of International Business for Elea. And I'm just happy to be talking to you. I know we
You as
chatted a
well.
few months back, but I spoke to some other members of your team yesterday here on JSA TV, where we were talking about some updates, some exciting news with I Squared.
Yes, we're
Yeah.
very excited about that. I Squared is our new majority capital partner, and we're just excited about what that brings, how it accelerates our growth strategy across Brazil, and so we're really thrilled about it.
Yeah, and some of what we chatted about yesterday, and maybe we could dig a little deeper today, just in general about the market in Brazil and why this is an appealing market, some of the, why it's growing, what is attracting people. Let's start there. Let's just
Sure.
start there.
Yeah, so I think the biggest selling point for Brazil is our renewable energy matrix. From an electricity matrix perspective, it's about 88% renewable energy. When looking at the rest of the world, it's on average about 34%, and the US specifically is about 25%. So when we're talking about hyperscalers meeting specific sustainability goals, Brazil is a wonderful place to do that. So there's more cost-effective power, and then it's also renewable as well. So that's sort of the biggest selling point, and also the distributed transmission distribution network. So a lot of the renewables are generated in the northeast of Brazil, and then with the distribution network, we're able to bring that to other areas, specifically Sao Paulo, which is the biggest economy in LATAM.
Yeah, yeah, and on that note of sort of newer and different markets, I believe you've been expanding, into new locations within
Mhm.
Brazil. Can you talk about that?
Yes. So Elea has 9 operational facilities across 5 metros today. We have plans to expand beyond that into some new metros, which you'll be hearing about here in the next few weeks. But our biggest flagship site is our Rio AI City. So it's in the Olympic Park of Rio de Janeiro. We're working with 250 megawatts in 2027 as an initial start, and we can grow up to 1.5 gigawatts of capacity there. Long term, 3.2. So these are really big numbers for Brazil specifically, and we're really excited about that one, of course. And then we also have some scale sites in Sao Paulo, our SPO3, and SPO2 and 1 campuses.
Okay, yeah, and I mean, let's just talk about where we are right now. As a point in time, but also, at the show and geographically and everything. I mean, this conference is one of the best, I think, in the industry for bringing people together globally, having the right conversations. How's the show been for you so far?
It's been great. This is my first time in
Yeah.
Cannes, and I definitely think it's lived up to the expectation. Everyone always says that it's very high level. There's a lot of senior leadership, I think, because of the setting, but also it's just a really great way to get a lot of those capital partner discussions happening. And again, a lot of that like C level come to this show specifically. So it's been great. I think the conversations have been meaningful, and really able to get a lot done here, which is great.
That's fantastic. And what happens next for you? So once you leave here and
Yes,
settle
we're
back into
busy.
reality, you're no longer in the south of France.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm headed back home. We're really busy right now. We're having lots of different conversations, globally at a global scale. I'll be going back down to Brazil here in the coming months to support customer conversations. And the biggest thing for us right now is just continuing to have the conversation to promote Brazil as a country. There's a lot of work that's being done right now across multiple data center developer and operators in order to just bring awareness to Brazil, working very closely with the government on various tax incentives, to really ensure that the story is there and makes sense with a lot of these hyperscale companies.
Yeah.
I think it just takes one, and then everybody goes. But a lot of conversation, a lot of policy making, working with the government, regulation, all of those components of what Elea is doing it's just so important, and I think it's something that we're excited about, but we're working very hard to drive a lot of that growth.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining
Yes.
us. It's always a pleasure to speak with you.
Thank
and
you.
to
You as
see
well.
you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, and we'll be talking again, I'm sure, at conferences
Of
throughout the
course,
year.
we'll check
And
back in.
yeah,
Maybe end of the year.
maybe PTC, and then again here maybe next year,
Good.
and we'll see everything, all the great updates that have changed over the course of the year.
Perfect.
So thank you for
Thank
your
you so
time.
much. Thank you for having me.
And thank you to our viewers for tuning in to JSA TV. Until next time.